can hear her saying, lead me with strong hands, stand up when I can, don't leave me, hungry for love, chasing dreams, but what about us? Show me you're willing to fight, that I'm still the love of your life. I know we call this a home, but I still feel alone. Hallelujah.
Leave it. Leave it alone.
I see their faces, look in their innocent eyes. They're just children from the outside. I look, working hard. I tell myself they'll be fine. They're independent, but on the inside, oh, I can hear them saying, lead me with strong hands, stand up when I can, don't leave me, hungry for love, chasing dreams, but what about us? Show me you're willing to fight, that I'm still the love of your life. I know we call this a home, but I still feel alone. So Father, give me the strength to be everything I'm called to be. Oh Father, show me the way to lead them. Won't you lead me to lead them with strong hands, to stand up when they can, don't want to leave them, hungry for love, chasing things that I can give up. I'll show them I'm willing to fight and give them the best of my life, so we can call this a home. Lead me, 'cause I can't do this alone. Father, lead me, 'cause I can't do this alone. Father, lead me, 'cause I can't do this alone.
Good job, babe.